Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again in a video reaction. I'm not gonna waste much time on this one. I have to give credit to this our brother Drake for making this post, and many of you have seen that if you're on X, this post shouldn't be a strange thing to you. It is trending. He's not the only one that made a post about it, and there's a reason for that, and that's why we're here. But before we go in details about this thing, I want you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Make sure that you do your best and feel free to subscribe to the channel. And the comment section is on. You can also, counter what we are saying here or support it in any way you can. But don't commit, nuisance. Don't be a problem to others. If you want to comment, just put your comment. Let it be logically. So, like I said, these posts have been trending. A lot of people are saying, things about it, and there's a reason for that. Like I said, if you are following me here, this is not gonna be a new thing to you because I've actually made a video about this particular issue of the Biafran coin, how someone somewhere decided to hijack it and take advantage of Biafrans and trying to do one or two things in support of Nkere, and that had been an issue. Let me refresh your memory in case you have forgotten that there was a time in different cabinet government, and when Nkere refused to appear to explain things to cabinet members on how the money is how he handled the money in his position and everything. Remember when he said that that if not because of him, that Biafra would have been declared. All of them are now the architect of declaration. Adadarama said that without her, nobody would have declared Biafra according to them. So the number one, I just wanted to pay attention, but let me finish what I was saying because I noticed that they even have a United States of Biafra emblem here, and they have brig here. This is how far these people can go to deceive others. Now, you said that the United States of Biafra is Biafra, USB Nigeria, and at the same time, you are telling Biafra to invest on the coin simply because you want multitudes, you want people to add their money and support and everything. Now, back to the issue. They called Nkere to explain to Biafrans, explain to them, not to the public, but to the cabinet members on what happened to the money in the account when he said that without him, in Biafra, in fact, they wouldn't have declared Biafra. In fact, everything would have been, wouldn't have been successful. That this our brother in Finland, Uche, was on call, persuading him to send money. He refused to do that. Why? Because he said that there's no money in the account. But somebody who is somehow signed to the account, so the person can, a lady like that, I don't know her name, that the person happened to, check the account and find out that that account still has something like $68,000. Then Nkere refused to explain to Biafrans why he said there's no money in the account. But the person, his second, who is also signatory to the account, she cannot pull money out from the account because Nkere is the only one to pull money from the account. He's one that PM signed to do that because he's the one that opened the account. You understand? But another person have to checkmate the activities of the account. When the lady log into the account and find that there's some money in the account, even though they could have told Biafran's cabinet member that there's no money in that account, then Biafran said, okay, let us, vote in support or against that the account that is being attached to that bank account, all the platforms that have been attached to the account shall be removed. Then they called somebody who is in charge of this account. His name is, I think, I forgot, is it Chibiko? I can't remember his name now because I made a video about him in the past. Then, when they called him to, disconnect Nkere's data, his bank account, and sign in new account, which is mandate account, I believe, with the one they're calling an Islamic bank account and all that. The guy said that he can do that, but Nkere must be in the cabinet, like be in the meeting. They said, no, okay, we have called him many times, he refused to appear. Why don't you just do this for us and let us just focus on what we are doing? He refused as well. He said no, that the Nkere must be there. Then people ask him, are you working for Nkere or for Biafrans? Because cabinet members have actually spent time, to cast votes. In your presence, only you voted against. Or everybody there, everybody that happened to be in that meeting, voted in support. He insisted that he's not going to do that. Then he checked out from the meeting. When he left, he went to the Nkere, and before you know it, they started forming their own Biafran government and what you have today. Then Sona Barawa, as the instigator of all this nonsense, came online and started telling Biafran that from henceforth that Biafran coin is suspended. They are good, that they are maintaining the platform. They are doing something about it. No, they refuse to tell you the truth. The truth is that the guy refused to allow Biafran to have access or to dictate and how their future will be, what is going on. He choose to link it to Nkere. That Nkere is one to dictate on what is going to happen to that account and this Biafran coin. When people say that Nkere hijacked that, they have hijacked everything. That she started from the scratch. Some of you think that is just people are just playing. No, but today you can see that they are now coming out with the issue of Biafran coin again because they felt that they have succeeded in securing this coin and all that. But we are here to tell you what you're going to hit or what you're going to expect from this coin. Do you understand it? Now, let us read from this our brother Jack. He said, Biafran, please be aware. They have come again with another form of extorting your hard-earned money. Some of you may say, oh, you are trying to discourage Biafra from this. No. The template is faulty, and anything about it, will, of course, will lead you to doom. If you know, you know. So we actually want you to have, your say in what you are doing, without anybody predicting to you how your future will be. I don't know how that is a problem to some of you, but if you actually want progress, this should give you a concern. Look at the date they have here. Okay, you can see it here that Bank of Biafra, Biafran coin USBT. Now this United States of Biafra T, that is Bitcoin. Okay, United States of Biafra Bitcoin. That's what I mean, BT, something like that. Lecture. They want to lecture you on how to invest and what you want to do. Be careful, like this. I've already said. I'm gonna tell you the reason for that. Remember the story I just told you now. How the people in charge of it refuse to work with the people that you gave mandate to lead you, which are cabinet members that were in the meeting telling this guy to do this. He said no, that you have to be with Nkere. Then what is the position of Nkere? A finance minister, as of that time, being the one, to control everything. Now I know I was struggling to remember the name of the guy. You can see Chibike. Look at it here. This guy is the one that in fact, these are the engine room of what Nkere is doing today. So Nkere is not doing all those things that he's doing today single-handedly. They are in group. Remember the broadcast, or not broadcast, a video that surfaced on social media about what PM said to them in the cabinet when they're having meeting. That some of you will be in Kaba without knowing that you're already in the Kaba. The question is, what did the PM see that made him to say that thing? Look at his name here, Chibike Wadi. Chibike Wadi. Now, this guy is the one that everybody told to change that account. That Nkere is telling you there's no money in the account, but there's money in the account. Some of you may say, hey, but that could be his money. No, the account was opened newly, and the account was opened for a particular purpose, for Biafran convention in Finland. And the activities of Biafrans, what they will be doing, henceforth. But Nkere refused to tell Biafrans what is going on with that account. If not that somebody have access to that account, was able to screenshot the balance and send it to the cabinet to see that this man saying that there's no money in the account, that is a lie. It's not true. People would have believed him that yes, there's no money in the account, and people are just disturbing the man. But it's not true, like I said. Now, they said they're going to start lecturing you on how to do that. Biafran coin, up close and personal. Saturday, sorry, March 15th, 2025, 1 p.m. Biafran time. Zoom meeting, these are the WhatsApp number, Telegram, blah, 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 blah. Now, remember, they are from Greek. Look at it here. And Biafran, United States of Biafra, according to them, is United States of Nigeria, USB Nigeria, right? And look at, they still have, shamelessly put this emblem here. United States Biafra. I don't want to write by United Biafra. United States of Biafra or United Biafra. United States, okay, of Biafra. Okay, they put it down here. Okay, now I got it. United States of Biafra, the same United States of Biafra that you have told Biafrans that it is USB Nigeria. I have asked this question severally, and nobody have actually tried to give me an answer to that. I'm serious. When you say that you are fighting for Biafran recognition in the US, and that is when you hear United States of Biafra recognition, United States of Biafra recognition, that's their job, right? Now, when people see you saying that United States of Biafra Nigeria, is that how do you normally put it? USB Nigeria, USB, that's United States of Biafra Nigeria, trying to mock and cajole the name, thinking that they're hurting Biafrans or they're hurting CS. Careful how we believe these people can be. Now, if you doubt anybody or doubt what I just said now, my advice, you have final say, your money is your money. But remember what happened in the past, and you can predict what may happen to you as you go in with this. For now, stay away from it. Let them do it the way they want until they iron things out and give people assurance and trust. And how can they do? How are they going to do that? By explaining what happened with the previous one, the activities, the money that involved, that people have invested on this before now. Where is it? What happened? It's very, very important. Like I told you, the people in charge of this website and everything, if you go to the website, you will see this guy name. He's now in charge of, I think is it anything IT, I believe. He's the one, they have moved him from that department to another department higher. The one they contact, maybe higher position. He's one building maybe their website and everything. To tell you that he's very good in manipulating things and hijacking things. All of them, they are good at that. Everything that PM built, they hijacked it. I'm being honest. The only thing that left for Biafrans are your brain and your common sense. Everything, be it website, logo, and what have you, they hijacked it on that bridge with the backup of the lobbies which they're using to, do all the shenanigans they're doing at the moment. Pay attention to what is going on, then you will save yourself. Now, let me check the comment section so that you will know what Biafrans are saying about it. Just few comments, then we call it a day. Here, let me open this one. I think the comment is not coming up. I don't know why. The comment is not coming up. It's supposed to come here. Okay, they're back. Look at it here. Somebody called this is Ambrose. He said, "You and your madam." Okay, I love this. I love this. Let me just. I love this. Wait, because of course they're gonna fight back. I know. Now he said, "You and your madam Ngozi Fulani." Look at the natural peace and the unity are playing very well on the script handed to you by the Fulanis. They said that you should arm Igbos to fight Igbo. Your madam have done it by arming the Bubago to fight our men on ground. They said you should block our fund, and it is playing now. These are senseless individuals who don't understand what they're saying. Because if you actually understand what you are saying, you should know that what you have just said now shows how senseless you can be. A Bible have been there. Do you understand? And nobody actually armed them. This is just propaganda and lies. Look at what they're saying. Most of them, just take a look at why is such in Finland and in France and Remages. These are people who, few weeks ago, seeking praise of CS. All of a sudden, they turn. Why? Because their enemy, they felt that the enemy had been welcomed in the group, which is not true. Which is not true. He said, "Thank you for the information." This is another person. We will only bank with the United States of Biafra, United States of Biafra government when we have one. Biafrans will know we are waiting for them patiently. But PM keep things in place before. That means PM they scam us before. Please answer me honestly. Maybe if a Chuku Kamsi may not be aware of what is playing out. Like I told you, the guy in charge of it have told you, not even telling you, have told you that the only person that have final say is Nkere. What kind of government is that? That cabinet member, just for example, in congressmen that most of them are celebrating that don't have a handshake with in US, they are the one to vote in or vote out government decision because they are people representative. That's what it is. Cabinet member represent that as we speak. They told this guy change this account because Nkere is somehow manipulative. He refused to tell us what happened to the money that he said is no longer in the account. But when somebody went to the account and screenshot it, and there's money, $68. And what they needed in Finland at that point in time was 50. Do you get it now? So this is the kind of people. I mean, I don't know how many of you reason, but that will not stop us from saying the truth. The choice is yours. I love it. I love the fact that your money is your money and you're in control of it. I myself, I'm in control of mine. So this is not me telling you that you should not spend your money the way you want it. That I'm saying what I'm saying now does not mean that I'm going that if you insist that I will fight you. No, it's your choice. So do your do. So my people, thank you so much for your time and make sure that you comment. I want to know your own opinion on this. Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Do you see reasons why you must stay away from this? Or are you still going to feel like somebody is attacking you? When PM was here, PM is no, this guy will not even dare to challenge PM when he said change the account or something like that. Okay, he will not even hijack or do anything. Like what they are doing now. Why is Searcher in France saying that he proudly telling you how she contact men on ground? Proudly saying that. Can you just be honest? Can she do that if PM is here? No, right? Can these people refuse to give the update on the account if PM is here? The answer is no. Then when they said that you should fall back after declaring Biafra, if PM happen to be here, will they be saying the same thing? That's also is not. They will not do that. You can't do that because PM will not even dare to tell you that to fall back after declaring Biafra. He's not a coward. Anyway, thank you, my people, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and tell me what you think about it. I just want to react on this video, just quick one, to know what you yourself think about it, the way you see it. What is your own take on that? I would like to know. God bless you all, and make sure you like the video. Thank you so much.